Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to Soul 730 No Stuff. I was thinking about the AWS outage that happened when the entire region went down. So I was thinking, what could these companies have done to get their businesses up and running sooner? And the only thing I could have thought of was have a backup in another region. Now, having a backup in another region is super expensive. So let me give you an analogy real quick. So say the state is a region, and inside a state you have cities. So think of cities, availability zones as cities, right? So you can have a backup in another. So you say you in the state of New York, your infrastructure is in the state of New York. You can have a backup in New Jersey, right? The backup is not being used. And just in case New York goes out, New Jersey would take it over and spin up in business as usual. But this is a thing, you gotta pay that toll to get to New Jersey. And even though you're not using that backup, you're still paying for it because New Jersey's taxing you for that toll every day, and it's a super expensive tax. Even though it's the same country, which is AWS, you still gotta pay to have your stuff in that region, the New Jersey region. So once power outage happened in New York, nobody had backups in another region because it's not worth it. So say the outage was for 5 hours, you lost $1 million an hour, you lost $5 million. It probably would have cost you $50 million to host that backup that's not being used in another region for the year. So yeah, you lost $5 million, but you really saved $45 million by not having that backup in another region. So think of it like that. That's why the companies, they just took the loss. It wasn't even worth it. So that's pretty much how regions and availability zones work. Anyway, thanks for watching. GG's.